So if you have a iPhone 13 or one of the 14s and your auto lock, basically your screen timeout is grayed out and stuck on 30 seconds and you can't do nothing. The reason is like this is because your power mode is on. You can tell if your battery icon is yellow, okay? So the first thing we want to do is turn off the low power mode, okay? So just go to your settings. And then from here, we're going to go to battery. So keep scrolling up until you see battery right here. So tap on battery, and right here it says low power mode. Okay, so when I go ahead and untoggle that, you may want to read this right here too, but also when I untoggle that, you can see it's no longer yellow, the batteries, now it's white. Okay, so now if I go back to settings, and now if I go to display and brightness to go to auto lock, display and brightness, and I'm going to scroll down, and now you can see auto lock basically is the screen timeout, and now it's no longer grayed out. I can change it to whatever I want. Okay? Pretty simple. Good luck.